Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wireless Tutor. Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the discoveries, types, sources, benefits, functions and diseases of all vitamins. As you know that vitamins are the protective foods and they play vital roles for the proper growth and well-being of our body. So dear friends, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Knowing about vitamins, let us know first what are foods and what are nutrients. What are nutrients? So foods are those substances which can be eaten. That means they are the edible substances. Those substances which can be eaten are called as foods. For example, we can eat rice. So this is edible in nature. So rice is a food. We cannot consume chair. So this is not a food. Now, let us know what are the nutrients. Nutrients are the essential components of foods which promotes growth and proper functioning of our cells, tissues, muscles, etc. Overall, the proper functioning of our body. So nutrients are those essential components which promotes growth and proper functioning of cells, organs, tissues, muscles. Overall, the proper functioning of our body are called as nutrients. So nutrients are of six types. Nutrients are of six types. The first one is carbohydrate. The second one is fat. Number third, proteins. Number fourth, minerals. Number fifth, vitamins, and number six, water. The first one is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. The second one is fats. Number third, proteins. Number fourth, minerals. Number fifth, vitamins. Number sixth, water. So water is also an essential component. So this is also a nutrient. Now, in this video, we will focus our discussion on vitamins. We will know what are the vitamins, who discovered these vitamins, and about its terminologies, etc. and so many things. So, looking upon the definition of vitamins, so vitamins are also those substances which need to develop and function normally without any hesitation. So those are called as vitamins. So the substances that our body need to develop and function normally are called vitamins. So the word vitamins comes from two other words. The first word is vita, vita means life, and the second word is amines. Amines means nitrogenous substance. That means vitamins are basically the nitrogenous substances which are required for the proper life. Next, the discovery of vitamins. So vitamins are discovered by two scientists, Hopkins and Funk. But the word vitamin was coined by Casimir Funk in 1912. He was a Polish American biochemist. Vitamins are also called as vitamins as Casimir Funk discovered and named the vitamins. So Casimir Funk is called as the father of vitamin therapy. Move to the next slide. Now have a comparison among the vitamins. Look at the vitamin A. Name of vitamin A is retinol, and its sources are mangoes, papaya, carrot, sweet potato, liver, fish, eggs, dairy products, etc. So there are so many varieties of vitamin B. So that is called as vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex ranges from B1 to B12. Its sources are fish, chicken, eggs, dairy, oats, beans, banana, spinach, nuts, and seeds. The common name of vitamin C is called ascorbic acid, and it almost present in kiwi, amla, lychee, strawberry, lemon, orange, pineapple. Common name of vitamin D is calciferol, and its sources are red meat, oily fish, egg yolks, tuna fish, milk, avocado, broccoli, salmon, sunlight, cod liver oil. Remember, sunlight is the best source of vitamin D. Now move to the vitamin E. Its common name is tocopherol, or sometimes it is also called as alpha tocopherol. Its sources are olive oil, pomegranate seeds, sunflower seeds, nuts, almonds, red sweet pepper, etc. There are three varieties of vitamin K: K1, K2, K3. The common name of vitamin K is hydroquinone, but the common name of vitamin K1 is phytonadione. K2 is called minaquinone. K3 is called minadione, and its sources are cabbage, spinach, broccoli, soya beans, meats, fish oil, eggs, beans, etc. Let us discuss about vitamin A. Its definition. Vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamin, that means that is dissolved in fat, and an essential nutrient for humans. So remember, vitamin A is a fat soluble, that is dissolved in fat. It is a group of organic compounds that includes retinol, retinal, retinoic acid, and carotenoids. So all these nutrients or ingredients are present in vitamin A. Its common name is retinol. We have already learned. IUPAC name, no need to check out. Its molecular formula is C20S30O. Its discovery. It was discovered by Elmore V. McCollum and M. Davis. There were two prominent scientists who discovered vitamin A. So a nutrition scientist named as Christiane Stomberg. Christiane Stomberg named as vitamin A in 1990. Look about the functions of vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for the embryo development. Embryo is the pre-stage of every child, so that is essential for embryo development. Next, it helps in maintaining a proper vision, eyesight. Next, it is required for maintenance of a healthy immune system. Without a healthy immune system, we fall ill or we are infected by several diseases. So vitamin A is responsible for maintenance of a healthy immune system. Next, it helps in the maintenance of epithelial cells. What are the epithelial cells? Let us know. So the cells which are present coverings, in the coverings of organs and including our skin. So these cells are called as epithelial cells. So vitamin A is also responsible for the maintenance of epithelial cells. Next, It is also essential for the maintenance of skin and mucous membrane. Next, it helps in the development and maintenance of teeth, skeletal, and soft tissues. Next, beta carotene is a component that is present in vitamin A that reduces the risk of cancer. Next, vitamin A also improves the skin tone by stimulating the production of new cells and new blood vessels. So as it creates new cells and new blood vessels, so fair skin tones are possible due to the vitamin A. Now, let us move to the deficiency diseases. So our skin becomes dry in the absence of vitamin A. Next, our eye also becomes dry as it is responsible for secretion of the mucus. It also causes night blindness. Now, fourth, it is also responsible for delayed growth. Next, it also causes infertility. As you know that it is responsible for embryo development. So, in the absence of vitamin A, infertility takes place. Look about the sources of vitamin A. There are two kinds of sources. Look about the animal sources, liver, fish, egg yolk, dairy products, cheese, butter and meat. These are the animal sources. Now move to the plant sources. Mangoes, papaya, squashes, carrots, sweet potato, maize, etc. These are the plant sources of vitamin A. Now, vitamin B complex. So, vitamin B are water soluble vitamins. These are the water soluble vitamins that play important roles in cell metabolism. In cells, so many reactions takes place. Those are called as cell metabolism and synthesis of RBC, red blood cells. RBCs are prepared by vitamin B. So these are water soluble. Whereas we have learnt about vitamin A, that is fat soluble. Fat soluble. There are 8 vitamin B in vitamin B complex: B1, B2, B3, not B4, B5, B6, B7, B not B8, B9 and B12. The role of vitamin B is either a cofactor or a precursor needed to make one. That is a cofactor, no, that is a substance that is responsible to make the cofactor. Let us know about the discoveries of these vitamins. Vitamin B1 was discovered by Casimir Funk, B2 by D.T. Smith and Hendrick, B3 by Conrad Elvesham, B5 by Roger J. William, B6 by Paul Gairorgi, B7 by Dean Burke, B9 by Lucy Wills, B12 by Paul Gairorgi. Paul Gairorgi has discovered two vitamins B6 and B12. Now look about the comparison among different B vitamins. The common name of B1 is thiamine. It is present in whole grains, lentil, spinach, milk, red meat, nuts, and seeds. Its function is to derive energy from foods. Its main role is to derive energy from foods. And it is a supportive system for normal function of our nervous system. uh, uh, it is responsible so that our nervous system works smoothly or normally. Next, vitamin B2. B2 is called riboflavin, that is present in broccoli, cereals, eggs, salmon, milk, and spinach. Its main function is to support the production of cellular energy. Number third, B3 is called niacin. It is present in lentils, peanuts, beef, fish, and poultry. Its main role is to support cardiovascular health and function of cellular energy. Cardiovascular health. Cardiovascular health related to heart health. The common name of B5 is pantothenic acid. 5 means pantothenic acid. It is present in peanuts, cashew, avocado, brown rice, milk, lentil. Its main function is to regulate the production of cellular energy. The common name of B6 is pyridoxine. It is present in avocados, sunflower seeds, chicken, beans. Its main function is the proper functioning of nervous system and RBC. It is also responsible for metabolism of glycogen and amino acid. What is glycogen? Carbohydrates are stored in animals in the form of glycogen. Carbohydrate is stored in plants as starch, but that is stored in animals as glycogen. B7 is known as biotin, that is present in soybeans, oranges, strawberries. That supports carbohydrates, fats, protein metabolism, etc. That also supports the loss. Called folate. It is present in cereals, bread, spinach, dates, beets, orange. It plays a vital role in the development of fetal nervous system. Is commonly known as cobalamin. It is present in egg, milk, fish, beef, and chicken. I don't think that beef is a food, but that is present in egg, milk, fish, and chicken. Formation of red blood cells and regular functioning of nervous system. Now, move to the next slide. Let us know the causes of vitamin B deficiency. The first one is a non-balanced diet. What is a balanced diet? When all of the nutrients present in a perfect proportion which are needed for our health. That is called a balanced diet. If you take a non-balanced diet regularly, then that might cause vitamin B deficiency. Number two, excessive alcohol consumption. Due to the excessive alcohol consumption, that may also reduce vitamin B. Number three, because of the side effect of so many medicines or because of the medications, vitamin B deficiency can cause. Number four, gut metabolism condition. Next, what are the deficiency diseases causes are caused by vitamin B? Because of the vitamin B1, beriberi takes place. Because of vitamin B2, anemia and cataract. Anemia is a state of deficiency of blood, and cataract when a white or milky layer is found on eye, then that is called cataract. So that may because of the deficiency of B2. Because of the deficiency of B3, pellagra takes place. In the throat, there is a swelling that is called pellagra. Because of the deficiency of B5, fatigue, upper respiratory infections, Huntington disease takes place. Because of B6, microcytic anemia, inflammation on skin. Because of the deficiency of B7, hair loss takes place and fall of nails. Because of biotin, this is called biotin. Deficiency of biotin, hair loss takes place. Because of the deficiency of B9, megaloblastic anemia. This is a critical stage of anemia. This takes place because of B9. Because of the deficiency of B12, pernicious anemia takes place. Now move to the next slide. Now look about vitamin C. Vitamin C is also water soluble. Vitamin C is also water soluble. That vitamin naturally found in citrus and other foods. Many citrus foods such as orange, amla, lemon, we find vitamin C in all these citrus foods. Its common name is ascorbic acid. Its IUPAC name, no need to remember. Its molecular formula is C6H8O6. It was discovered by Albert Gent Gyrorgy, or just Gyrorgy. Gyorgy was a Hungarian biochemist. He got Nobel Prize in medicine because of the discovery of vitamin C and other B complex vitamins. Vitamin C, vitamin C is responsible for the formation of collagen. So collagen is the most abundant protein present in our body that accounts up to 30% of the total proteins present in our body. That is the primary building block of our body: skin, muscles, tendons, etc. So collagen is a fiber, or that is a protein that is most abundantly found in our body. That is almost about 30% of the entire proteins present in our body. Second, it is also responsible for the absorption of iron. We know that due to the deficiency of iron, anemia takes place. So it is also responsible for the proper function of the immune system. Number fourth, it is responsible for wound healing. Wound healing means the wounds or the infections caused. So vitamin C is called the wound healing vitamin. Number fifth, it is responsible for the maintenance of cartilage, bones and teeth. What is cartilage? These are the prematured bones. Prematured bones, which are present in our ear, noses, etc. Because of which we can bend our ears and noses. Now look about the deficiency diseases caused by vitamin C. This is very important. Scurvy is caused due to the vitamins of vitamin C in human beings. It also causes weight loss. It is responsible for the dry and damaged skin. Number fourth, it splits end of hair. Because of vitamin C, also hair losses takes place. Hair losses takes place biotin, because of biotin B7, vitamin B7, and because of C also. Due to the deficiency of vitamin C, inefficient prevention of infections. When some accident takes place and you got a wound and those infections won't be healed quickly if there is a deficiency of vitamin C. So vitamin C also prevents infection. Look about the sources of vitamin C: raw liver, fish, and eggs. These are the animal sources. Plant sources: kiwi, amla, lychee, strawberry, lemon, orange, pineapple. These are the animal sources. Now look about vitamin D. Vitamin D is a group of fat soluble. This is a group of fat soluble secosteroids responsible for increasing intestinal absorption of calcium, magnesium, phosphate, and many other biological effects. So this is responsible for the absorption of calcium, magnesium, phosphate in our intestine. So, these are the group of fat soluble vitamin A, D, and E. These are the fat soluble vitamins. Its common name is calciferol. Its molecular formula is C27H44O. It was discovered by Mellon by McCollum, M. Davis, Steenbock, and Hart. This name was given by Elmore McCollum. Let us look about types of vitamin D. There are 5 types of vitamin D: vitamin D1, D2, D3, D4, and D5. D1 is the mixture of molecular compounds of ergocalciferol with lumisterol. When we mix ergocalciferol and lumicalciferol in 1:1 ratio, that means 50-50%, then we will get vitamin D1. Vitamin D2 is almost ergocalciferol made from ergosterols. Vitamin D3 is cholecalciferol made from 7-dehydrocholesterol in the skin. D4 are commonly known as the 22 or 2,2-dihydroergocalciferol. 2,2-dihydroergocalciferols. Vitamin D5 is cytocalciferol made from 7-dehydrostesterol. No need to remember, just for more information. Let us look about the functions of vitamin D. The first one, it is responsible for the regulation of immune system. Second, regulation of the phosphorus homeostasis, that means phosphorus equilibrium in our body. Number third, it promotes growth and bone mineralization. Due to its deficiency, weak bones are produced. It also stimulates cell differentiation. What do you mean by cell differentiation? As you know that from zygote, all of us are produced. This is zygote, and this zygote undergoes cell division, and after this cell division, these cells are modified into different structures according to their functions, and afterwards they are responsible for the formation of different organs in our body. So this process is called cell differentiation. Next, it is responsible for the regulation of insulin creation. As you know that insulin is secreted from the beta cell of pancreas. So that is responsible for the insulin secretion. It controls cell proliferation, and lastly, it is responsible for the regulation of muscle calcium transport. Calcium is transported to the muscles, so this is responsible by vitamin D. Look about the deficiency diseases. Weakened arching bones. Arching bones means bending of bones. Continuous cough and cold takes place. Loss of appetite. Last, hair loss takes place. Depression, hypotension also takes place. Look about the diseases caused by vitamin D. There are two kinds of diseases: osteomalacia and rickets. Rickets are in children and infants. Osteomalacia are in adults. Now move to the next slide. Look about the sources of vitamin D. There are two kinds of sources: animal sources and plant sources. Flesh of fatty fish, cod, liver oils, milk, salmon. In those animal sources, vitamin D is present in abundant amount. Mushroom, spinach, collards, soybean contains vitamin D. Sunlight is the best and cheapest source of vitamin D. Now move to the next slide. Vitamin E. Vitamin B is a group of fat soluble compounds. I have already told you A, D and E are fat soluble, whereas others are B, C and K are water soluble. It includes 4 tocopherols and tocotrienols. Alpha tocopherol is the only one used by human body. Out of 4, only alpha tocopherols are used in human body. Next, its common name is tocopherol or alpha tocopherol. Molecular formula C29 has 50 O2. It was discovered by Ivan and Bishop in 1922. It was isolated in 1935 and synthesized in 1938. Look about the functions of vitamin E. It balances the cholesterol level. As you know that due to the deficiency of cholesterol, cancer causes. So it reduces the risk of cancer by reducing the cholesterol level. Next, it repairs damaged skin. Third, it keeps hair shiny and healthy. It improves vision. It improves cell health. It ensures proper growth of the baby during pregnancy. Look about the deficiency syndromes or symptoms. Visual problems takes place. Secondly, it affects brain cells. Number third, it increases the risk of heart diseases. Number fourth, it affects fertility. Number fifth, it also weakens the muscular and muscle and creates muscle pain. Look at the diseases, very important: Crohn's disease, cystic fibrosis and FED are caused by the deficiency of vitamin E. Look about the sources of vitamin E: olive oil, pomegranate seeds, sunflower, seed nuts, almonds, red sweet pepper. Look about vitamin K. Vitamin K is a group of fat soluble vitamins that the body needs for blood clotting. To injury, blood flows. So this blood, the flow of blood stops because of the blood clotting, and vitamin K helps in this blood clotting process. Its common name is Phylloquinum. As we have already read about the common names of K1, K2 and K3. It was discovered by Carl Peter Henrik Dam in 1929 in the University of Copenhagen. He got a Nobel Prize for his discovery in 1941. Next, its molecular formula is C31H46O2. Look about the functions of vitamin K. It helps in wound healing. Second, it improves bone density. It prevents prostate cancer. It reduces excessive menstrual flow and pain. It is also responsible for the anti-aging process. It prevents osteoporosis. It prevents internal bleeding. BKDB, vitamin K deficiency bleeding in newborn babies takes place because of the deficiency of vitamin K. Intestinal disorders also takes place because of the vitamin K deficiency. Chronic digestive problems are caused. Bleeding in brain also takes place. Risk of osteoporosis takes place. Cholestatic liver disease also takes place because of the deficiency of vitamin K. Look about the sources of vitamin K. Fish oil, eggs, liver, meat, milk, cheese and chicken are the animal sources. Similarly, green leafy vegetables, cabbage, spinach, broccoli, soybean, bean, Brussels sprout, cabbage, lettuce, blueberries are the plant sources of vitamin K. Dear friends, we have reached at the end of this video. If you find this video really helpful, then kindly support my channel. Thank you.